In this video, we're going to look at BIDMAS and explain what BIDMAS is. Okay, so we asked the question, does it matter which way I write these two questions? It doesn't matter if I write 5 add 2 or 2 add 5, and it doesn't. Both of these answers give 7. And it's important that we understand this when we are moving forward with this topic. Now, if I was asked to subtract, it does matter because 5 take away 2 is 3, and 2 take away 5 is -3. Doesn't matter for multiply, either one of those will give me 10. When I divide, 6 divided by 2 is 3, but 2 divided by 6 is 0.3 recurring. So it does matter for divide and subtract, but it doesn't matter for adding or multiplying. So it's important we understand that. So let's look at BIDMAS. Now, BIDMAS is the order in which we do maths when there is more than one operation. So here are the 6 operations we could have. We could have bracket, indices, divide, multiply, add, and subtract. And we do things in this order. So if I was to look at this, I would see that multiply comes before addition. So I would multiply these two numbers, I would get 14. Add comes down and that 4 comes down. But I read it in this direction, 4 add 14 is equal to 18. Let's try this one. Multiply comes before subtract. So 15. Now, it's very easy to write down 15 take away 20 is -5. So although you may write it down backwards, you've got to read it that way. 20 subtract 15 is equal to 5. Okay, now I've got brackets. So brackets overrule everything. Because I've got a bracket, I must do inside that bracket first of all. So 20 take away 5 is 15. Then multiply by 3. 15 times 3 is 45. Now I've got 3 lots of operations going on. 2 of them are multiply. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Doesn't matter which one I do first. So I've got 36 and I have 10. And then I'm going to add them together to give me 46. So no brackets, but I've got indices. So I'll have to do indices first of all. So 3 subtract 4 squared is 16 divided by 2. Then I've got divide and subtract. I have to do divide first of all. So it's going to be 3 subtract, this will give me 8. And if I read it in that direction, 3 subtract 8 will give me -5. Okay, here are some questions. If you want to press pause, have a go. Press play in a moment and the answers will follow. And there are your answers.